Hey everyone, if you recently started a LinkedIn Premium trial and realized it's not for you, it's important to cancel before you get charged. LinkedIn Premium gives us features like in-mail credits, advanced searches, filters, and profile insights. But if we don't want to continue with the paid plan, we need to cancel on time. We'll show you how to cancel your LinkedIn free trial quickly and easily. The main reason to cancel your LinkedIn free trial is to avoid automatic charges when the trial ends. Many services, including LinkedIn Premium, switch to a paid plan if we don't cancel before the trial is over. By learning how to cancel the right way, we keep control over our subscription and money. Canceling doesn't mean we lose access right away. We can still use premium features until the trial ends. Knowing this helps us manage our account and avoid surprise charges. Let's go through the steps together. Even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once there, log into your account. After logging in, you'll see your home page. On the home page, we can check our subscription in the settings. To get to settings, click the drop-down button under your mini profile logo next to your name. Click this, then go to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, go to Subscriptions and Payment under Account Preferences. It's at the bottom. Here, we can see our purchase history. If we have an active purchase, it shows up here. If it's expired, we'll see that too. Just click Sales Navigator Core for this example. After clicking, we go to a new section. In this section, we see the Cancel Free Trial option next to the Teams payment method. Click it and then confirm. Now the subscription is canceled. Always double-check your subscription status and cancellation confirmation to make sure it's done. Managing our subscription helps us stay organized and avoid unwanted charges.